Welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make this refreshing mango salad. It's easy to prepare and comes together in just a few minutes. So let's get started. We'll be using 2 mangoes. Pick the ones that are ripe but still a little firm. Add 2 cucumbers for a little crunch in the dish. We also include some cherry tomatoes to balance out the taste and for their color. For seasoning, we'll use coriander, sweet basil, lime juice, extra virgin olive oil, honey, along with salt and pepper to taste. First, let's prepare the fruit. These mangoes are still very firm, so the slicing and scooping method would not work well. We'll need to remove the skin with a vegetable peeler. Let me show you an easy way to peel off the skin. First, you slide off the top and the bottom. See how the peeler can easily get under the skin to take it off? Now, slice the mangoes into bite-sized cubes. We'll cut the cucumbers the same way. Slice the cherry tomatoes into halves. We want their juices to flavor the salad. Finely chop the basil and coriander. Squeeze 2 tablespoons of juice from this lime. Next, blend the dressing ingredients in a cup. This will be a sweet and sour dressing that will elevate the taste of the salad. Okay, the preparation is done and all we need to do now is mix it all in a bowl. Stir so that everything is coated with the dressing. Let it marinate for 20 minutes so that the taste can come together. Wow, look at this vibrant color. I love it. Let's see how it turned out. It's sweet, just a little sour, and with a kick to it. It will go well with any spicy dish. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment below. I always enjoy getting to know my viewers. Also, if you're new here, take a minute to check out my channel. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. I'll be uploading many more delicious recipes. So stay tuned. Happy cooking!